Mabuhay kabayan at si Dr. Arlie Imprio, MD. How to build my FHP or Forever Health Products business? Simple, share the videos about Emergen, in order to learn why everyone should be taking Emergen now. Mahigit 100 videos ang available. Kunin ang mga links ng videos sa Facebook ng Forever Healthy Products Inc. from YouTube, ganun din sa YouTube channel ni Susan Barlan at Arlie Imperio. Watch, learn, share ang mga videos, then when people buy we earn. 24/7 or daily 7 days a week. Build our list to contact, make friends and establish trust and confidence, identify what is important to them, whether it is health or money from our livelihood program. Then ask permission to share videos on health or for work from home business opportunities. Be sure to follow up after they watch the videos. Do not sell. Just inform and educate them, and wait when they are ready to buy our Emergen. When ready, give our website to simply buy or join us in the business. Use, share the benefits, and earn.